Hello everyone, if we're meeting for the first time, I'm Comfort and I share simple recipes for the spirit and for the body in this space. Welcome. One of the things I love about cooking is that you can play around with very simple ingredients to create something delectable. And today we're taking these simple pigeon peas, which are native to warmer climates like here in East Africa, in India, in the Caribbean, and we're going to be making an easy salad which is not only delicious, but it is packed with especially protein and everything that is wonderful for your body. Now this salad is perfect on its own for a light meal and as a side dish next to your grills or roasts. Did I mention that it's very easy to make? Because it really is. Don't forget to check the description box below for all the recipe ingredients, and let's get started. Okay, first let's prepare the dressing. To a small bowl, add the mustard, the salad seasoning powder, this one is store-bought, sugar, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and freshly ground black pepper, which I adore for its pungent aroma and woody flavor. You want to whisk this up until well combined and set aside. Next up, we're going to start preparing the vegetables. Here I have my cooked pigeon peas. You may substitute these for garden peas, by the way. It works just the same, though the textures will be a little different. Now dice your tomatoes. Do the same for the cucumber and the carrots. Then when it comes to the onions, slice them very thinly. And yeah, do that bulungi. And finally, chop the fresh mint. Don't you guys just appreciate the sweet, fresh, cooling flavor and aroma of mint? Let me know in the comments if you do. Okay, now before we combine all the ingredients together, I just wanted to come on here with a very quick recipe for your spirit, and it comes from the book of Psalms chapter 16 and 11, which says in part that in his presence, meaning in the presence of the Lord, is fullness of joy. Now I love this scripture because it has the power to set you and I free to habitually walk in a place of joy. Why do I say that? Because if we carry the understanding that in the presence of the Lord is fullness of joy, every time we find ourselves living the opposite of joy, as in like we find ourselves with feelings of depression, of hope deferred, feelings of fear, feelings of worry, I would like to encourage you to run into the presence of the Lord when those feelings start to come upon you, because you're in essence running into an atmosphere of an abundance of joy, which I promise you is going to rub off on you, and you will find that joy has been restored to you. So I hope this has been a blessing to somebody out there, and now let's head back into my kitchen to complete making the salad. You're going to need a mixing bowl to which you're going to add all the ingredients you prepared before. We're talking about the pigeon peas, the tomatoes, the cucumber, the onion, the carrots, and the mint. Now I decided at this point to add some avocado to my salad for some creamy texture, but really because I love me some avocados. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat evenly. I always love to chill the salad for about 30 minutes as this allows the flavors within to meld really well. And there you have it, a flavorful and healthy pigeon pea salad that is absolutely delicious and refreshing. You won't ever regret adding this recipe to your rotation. Let me know in the comments section if you will and how it went. Thanks for watching today's video, and until the next one, God bless. Bye.